Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope, student, you all are fit and healthy. So, student, when you are watching the video, then take a rough copy and book also with you so that you can note the important points from the board. So, before starting, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So see student, today date is 17/10/2020. I am teaching you chapter number 16, weather and season. So student, we have completed the book exercises. We have completed question number D, that is give a short answer to the following questions. Okay, so let's start with the question number E. Answer the following question. Question number 1. What do you mean by water cycle and explain with the help of a diagram? Okay. So student, in this you have to write the you have to explain what is water cycle, and you have to draw a diagram of a water cycle also, which is given in your book. Firstly, note down the question. Note down the answer. Note down the answer. See student, the air heated by the sun rises upwards, okay, and carries water vapor. The water vapor rises in the sky and form clouds. When these clouds cool down, it rains. The whole process continues in the atmosphere. This is called a water cycle. Note down the answer. Now student, you have to explain the process with the help of a diagram also. So student, you have to draw this diagram also, because you have to show, explain water cycle with the help of a diagram. Is it clear? So draw this diagram also. Some labeling I am doing, you can note down from the board. It is not given in your book. That is the reason I am doing the labeling. Is it clear? So one time I explained you, then you are able to understand the position of the arrow also. See, due to the light of the sun, okay student, due to the heat of the sun, when the heat on the sun falls on this water body, then what's happened? Water boiling point is 100 °C. Now when the heat of the sunlight fall on this water, then it start evaporate due to heat, okay, and it change in the form of a water vapor. It change in the form of a water vapor, and when the water change in the form of a gaseous form, that is known as water vapor, it become very light. And then what happened to this warm air? It rises up. It rises up, okay, and when this warm air again come in touch with a cool air, then what's happen? These water vapor condenses. तुम लोग को कंडेंसेशन की प्रोसेस बताई थी ना, where the water vapor change into vapor. So this process happens here. Then what happened? These tiny drops, it change it water vapor again change into a form of a water. So these tiny drops of water join together to form these clouds. What is this? These are clouds. To form these clouds, and when the drop of water become very large, then what happened? This water from the cloud again it come down on the ground, and this complete process is known as water cycle. So in water cycle student, the position of the arrow, don't think that कि कोई भी position arrow की लगा देंगे, you get 0 marks for that. Many times it happen in the examination. Children show their copy and saying, sir, I have made the mountain, this is a water body, with this is a sun, this is a cloud. Then why you have given 0? If the position of the arrow is wrong, then the whole water cycle become wrong. From where the water cycle start? Due to the process of evaporation. Okay, sunlight falls, then the water change in the form of water vapor and it rises up. So we show the position of the arrow, that is upward. That is upward. And then see, this is the position of the arrow. Here when it cools, it forms the clouds, and when there it become a heavy drops of water, then this water start coming in the form of a rain. So this is the upward position, then it forms a cloud, and again the water is coming from the clouds to the ground. So from cloud it is coming to the ground. So now the position of arrow is downward. Now the position of the arrow is downward position. Is it clear? So student, when you are drawing the water cycle, always see that whether the position of the arrow is right or not. Make this diagram in your classwork copy. Here what happened? Evaporation. Evaporation. Evaporation, and it change in the form of a water vapor. You can also take a screenshot of this picture, and after that you draw this in your EVS classwork copy. Now see question number 2. How do season affect our lives? How do season affect our lives? So there is lot of things happen in our life due to the change of the season. So student, there is lot of effect of the season on our life. For example, the first point which is written on the board is the food we eat. If you see in the winter, what type of weather is in the winter? In the winter is very cold. So at that time the weather is very cold. So at this time we enjoy drinking hot soups like milk, tea, coffee. This happens in the winter season. Okay, and if you consider the summer season. Summer is the hottest season, and at this time people enjoy cold drinks like lemonade, ice creams, and fruits such as watermelon, lychees, mangoes, etc. So, in this manner, it also affect on our eating habit also. Is it clear? It also affect our eating habit also. Second point, the clothes we wear. If you see in the winter season we wear woolen clothes because the air is very cool. So to keep ourselves safe from these cool airs, we wear woolen clothes. And in the summer, it is the hottest season of the year. So student, at this time we wear cotton clothes. We wear what type of a clothes? Cotton clothes. Next point, also our activities. Yes student, according to the season, lot of activities also change. Even we play different types of a games in different seasons. Is it clear? Even we play different types of games in different seasons. Our activities also change. When it is very hot, it means we are talking about the hottest season, that is summer season. So at that time children enjoy swimming. Is it clear? And even when the temperature is very high, people remains inside the houses in the afternoon to save themselves from the warm air, that is known as loo. And if you consider winter time, in the afternoon people are outside. Is it clear? सर्दियों में देखो सनलाइट में बैठने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है, हमारी बॉडी क्या उससे होती है, वार्म हो जाती है. Is it clear? और in the night time when the cool airs blow at the time of winter, then people stay inside the houses to keep them safe. And even we are using room heaters, or we are burning the wood also to keep our body warm. So that is the reason it is given. Also it change our activities also. And in summer days, in afternoon we never come out from the houses due to hot air, that is known as loo. But in the nights people come out from their houses and the windows are open. But in the winter we always close our windows so that the cool air do not come inside our house. Is it clear? So student, there are many things which change due to the different season. For example, in rainy season, when we have to go any place, because in rainy season there is a heavy rainfall. So to save ourselves, what we do at the time of a rain, whether we use umbrellas or whether we use raincoat to save ourselves from the rain, because we have to go out from our houses for our working place, or as a children you have to go to the school. So we use umbrellas and raincoat at the time of monsoon season. Is it clear? So due to the change in the season, student, the food we eat, that also change. The clothes we wear also change due to the different seasons, and also our activities, these all also change due to different types of the season. Now see student, on page number 86, see, picture diagram is given of the cloth, which type of a cloth we wear, in summer, what type of fruits we eat, and what type of a cold drinks we drink in summer season. So student, please draw this diagram in your classwork copy. Okay, and after that, see, there is one more diagram is given. See, this is of a rainy season. So what is the boy wearing at the time of a raincoat, and what we use in rain season, that is umbrella also. Is it clear? So there are 5 seasons, so you can show this winter season. See, and in autumn season you can draw this diagram also, that the trees shed their leaves, in the autumn season. Okay, thank you student.